This week we're working on the 6-7-1-3-4 chord progression. That might sound like a lot, but it's really not. These chords you've already played before. It's just a matter of putting them together. 6-7-1-3-4. I use this a lot as like a turnaround. And maybe like if I'm in a slower worship song and I'm going to the 6 and I know I need to get back to the 4, I use it then. Okay, so here we go. I'll play it again. One more time. So this is in the key of C. All right. So on 6, on 6. So let me show you the left hand real quick. 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. 6, 7, 1. 3, 4. Okay. So on 6, so you should know by now that you can use fifths or you can use the octave. Okay. So anyway, whatever you do, just make sure it sounds nice and full. All right. So on 6, we're playing the A minor chord, second inversion. And another tip, a lot of times you should already, hopefully you're starting to get the concept of what chords normally go where. Normally when you play the 6 tone of the scale, you normally play that's whatever that 6 is, you normally play that minor chord. Okay. So we're in C and 6 of C is A. So we're going to play the A minor chord for that 6. All right. So 6, and then we're going to go to 7. Now on 7, which is B, we're going to play the G major root chord. Okay. Then we're going to go to the 1, which is the one major chord as well. That's the C major chord, second inversion. Okay. So then next we're going to go to 3. We're going to play the same chord, but it sounds different because it's an inversion. It's a different inversion. So on 3, we're playing the C major root chord this time. Okay. On 3. So on 3, we're going to play the C major root chord this time. And then on 4, we play the F major chord, second inversion. Okay. And then the way I'm gonna do a training on building chords. So going back to the 6, I went to the A major chord, the A minor chord, right? Then on 7, I went to the G major root chord, but I add the 2, which is A. Okay. And then when I played the C major chord second inversion on 1, I also added the 2, which is D. Okay. And then when I went to the 3, I added the 2 again. The C major root chord, add 2. And then when I would go to the 4, that is the F major chord, second inversion, add the 2 again. Okay. So that's basically the whole progression. All chords you've already played before. If you haven't played these chords before, make sure you go back to the very beginning and start at learning your chords.